Clarity Windows Victoria is a community-based exterior home maintenance business. We strive to restore and maintain value in living space, family home, strata community, real estate sale, and post-construction window finishing. We stand by our promise to deliver sustainable solutions, fair pricing, honesty, transparency, and lasting relationships with our clients based on trust and commitment. Clarity Windows was founded and established in 2016 by Richi Puv. Since 2012, Richi has been working in the exterior home maintenance industry, specializing in commercial and residential exterior cleaning services. Richi is recognized locally as an authority in his field, and his success is granted by his passion for perfection, earning him a loyal and lasting client base since his company's beginning. Our goals: achieving a long-lasting and healthy relationship with our clients is top priority. You are the foundation of our business, so we operate with honesty and transparency. Clarity Windows' future vision is to achieve both growth and brand recognition through trust. We aim for a means of capital surplus to have the financial freedom, allowing us to perform responsibilities we hold by supporting local organizations that aid families in need. We strive to listen and respect our clients' requests so that every service we perform is completed to a detailed perfection. Clarity Windows specializes in a wide range of services. We are praised by our ability to adapt our methods, when challenged, with cost and time management efficiency. Services offered but not limited to are interior-exterior window cleaning, post-construction window cleaning, gutter cleaning, unclogging and repair, pressure and power washing, roof moss removal and debris clearing, residential and commercial soft washing, and post-construction window cleaning. At Clarity, we are passionate about providing care for the highest quality results and genuinely invested in the health and longevity of your property. We are passionate about the services we perform, so we only hire industry professionals that strive to always do better. Clarity Windows believes in a traditional hands-on approach to cleaning and restoring. It ensures a thorough and meticulous clean that automated methods simply cannot replicate. We approach every service in this fashion because the attentive focus delivers a higher quality detailed clean. Testimonials: excellent quality, my windows never look so good. I appreciate how responsive Richi, the business owner, is. He has exacting standards, prices are reasonable, which is really nice in this day and age.